Good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
We are fine, and you?
Fine, thank you. Today we shall do a set in 10th class English grammar set. We have already discussed 2-3 sets. Today we shall do another one. So the set begins like this. Rewrite the following sentences. You know, rewrite the following sentences means निम्नलिखित वाक्य गुड़िक पुणी थर लेख according to अनुसारे. According to means अनुसारे. The instructions निर्देशना given in bracket. ब्राकेट गुड़िक ब्राकेट भितर बंधन भितर दि जाइथिया निर्देश अनुसार वाक्य गुड़िक पुणी थर लेख. राइट. Usually my boss leaves or will leave at 7 p.m. Fill in the blank. Choosing the correct alternative. उपयुक्त विकल्प बाछी शून्य स्थान पूरण कर. And two alternatives are given. One is leaves, another is will leave. Right? So usually means generally. This is one a habitual factor that or pratidiniya ghatana. So in that case we generally use present simple. We don't use shall will. So here leaves is the correct answer. Could understand? Leaves is the correct answer. Right. Next one is we were losing the game. Nevertheless, so we found until the last moment. शेष मुहूर्त पर्यंत आमे चेष्टा कले सत्वे आमे हरे बसिलु. खेल हरे बसिलु. हारी गलु. तो राइट आंसर इज सत्वे. द राइट अल्टरनेटिव इज नेवरथलेस. दैट इज सत्वे. कुड अंडरस्टैंड. नेक्स्ट वन इज the woman must be a beggar. Her clothes are dirty. So make a single sentence changing the second into a relative clause. Relative clause करियार कहितली प्रथम वाक्यर. First we have to find out the link between a word in the first sentence and with a word in the second sentence. So that woman is linked. This one is linked with the word hair. Right? This is a noun. This is its a pronoun. So आमे कौन कहते noun बदले जी बसे. The who comes in place of noun is called pronoun, and who comes in place of pronoun is called relative pronoun. So the pronoun of that woman is her, and its relative pronoun is whose. Could understand? Whose. तो आमे कौन करिया instead of here we will write whose, and the sentence will become whose clause. Right? So let's do it. Yes. Instead of pronoun we will write a relative pronoun, that is whose. Now the sentence became whose clause. Whose clause are dirty. Next what shall we do? कौन करिया? We shall place it just after the noun it refers to. जहाँ सबको ये संपर्क थिला ता पछरे नेगिरी ए टोटल वाक्यटा को जोड़ी देवा. रखिबा. कौन करिया? सिलेक्ट कर देबा. कौन करिया? सिलेक्ट कर देली. कॉपी कले. राइट. कोड नहीं रखिली कहितली. जहाँ सहित संपर्क थिला, का सहित संपर्क थिला, वुमेन सहित संपर्क थिला, सेटा आमे सेटा नेगिरी रखिदेबा. रखिदेली. नो, दिस इज. Okay, let's see. So whose W small letter? Whose clothes are dirty must be, M-U-S-T, must be a beggar. Now delete it. आगु नहीं से रखिदेले. Okay, done. That woman whose clothes are dirty must be a beggar. So this is a non-defining clause. Next, if I dash a promise, I keep it. Use the correct form of the verb make and fill in the blank. If जदि मु गोटे प्रतिश्रुति दिए मु आकु रक्षा करे. If I make a promise, just make. If I make a promise, just write a make. Could you understand? Just 1 minute. Make. M-A-K, make. A promise, I keep it. She studied hard, she failed in the examination. Join the sentences changing the first one into an adverb clause. I have told you, ମୁଁ ତୁମକୁ କହିଛି ସବୁ ଆଡ଼ଭାର୍ବ ଗୁଡ଼ାକ ଦେଇଛି. ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ବି ତୁମେ ବ୍ଲାକ୍ ବୋର୍ଡ଼ ଉପରେ ଆଡ଼ଭାର୍ବ ଗୁଡ଼ାକ ବି ଦେଖିପାରିବ. ଲୁକ୍ ଏଟ୍ ଦି ଆଡ଼ଭାର୍ବସ୍ ଅନ୍ ଦି ବ୍ଲାକ୍ ବୋର୍ଡ଼. ଏଇଠି କ'ଣ କରିବା ନା ସି ଷ୍ଟଡିଡ୍ ହାର୍ଡ଼, ବହୁତ କଠିନ ପରିଶ୍ରମ କଲା, ପଢ଼ିଲା ହାର୍ଡ଼. ସି ଫେଲ୍ଡ ଇନ୍ ଏକ୍ଜାମିନେସନ୍ ଦୋ ହିୟର୍ ଦୋ THOUGH though she small letter, it will become small letter. She studied hard. Remove, let's say remove full stop. Sorry. Although she studied hard, she failed hard, comma, she failed in the examination. Okay. Next one is rewrite the following sentences according to the instruction given in bracket. People worship him as a god. People worship him change into passive voice. Passive voice करिया माने कौन करिया कहतली subject will go to object place with the by and object will come to the subject place. Right? Remember. Next, the main verb will become en form. Right? And B. And we will write one of the B if necessary. So this is the law, this is the rule. So let's see what is here. People worship him as a god. First mark subject and object. Worship is the verb. Hala, him object, indirect object. Object O, that is O. Object and people subject, right? Subject will go to object place and object will come to subject place. So first let's bring object. What is object? Him. Object place him, subject place will become he. Right? He. What did I say? He. People worship him. Verb is worship. Worship present tense. Here helping verb is do. Could you understand? ମୁଁ କହିଥିଲି do ଅଛି ସେ do ଟା ଆଣି b ରେ ମିଶେଇ ଦେବ. b ରେ ମିଶେଇ do plus b is equal to is r is equal to is m r. Could you understand? So he ପାଖରେ ଆମେ କ'ଣ ଲେଖିବା? is he is. Next, worship main verb, worship, worshipped, worshipped. He is worshipped, worshipped, right? He is worshipped as God by people. As God by people. So right answer, let's write he is worshipped as God. He is
Worshipped.
worshipped S-H-I-P-P-E-D worshipped as God by people is not necessary to mention. ଲେଖିବା ଦରକାର ନାହିଁ. ଆଉ if somebody writes it, that is not a mistake. Okay, next. They agreed dash our proposal. Fill in the blank with an appropriate preposition. Preposition ଗୁଡ଼ା ମୁଁ ତୁମ ଲିଷ୍ଟ ଦେଇଥିଲି. On, in, at, with, and look at the blackboard, the prepositions are given. तो ये कौन हम दे एग्री सहित आम बीती लगे पारिया टू लगे पारिया इफ the person is there the right preposition with for other things to is the perfect. So here they agree to the right preposition is to. Could you understand? To. Right. Next. This part of the machine has own fill in the blank choosing the correct alternative given in the bracket down out up. So own out बोले sorry गलानी. So own out. The out is the right answer. Could you understand? Out is the right answer. Each of the students have got a prize. This fill in the blank choosing the correct alternative given in bracket. So this is the subject. This is the subject. And has is singular, have is plural. Rule says if a subject is singular, the verb will be singular. If a subject is plural, the verb will be plural. So let's see whether the subject is singular or plural. देखिबा each of the students ए पिला मान मध्यरु प्रत्येक पिला refers to a single person, so it is a singular. So verb will be singular and the right answer is has. Tamung I have told you when we add s to a verb it becomes singular. So has is having with s, so it is singular, have is plural. Could you understand? Any doubts? Now let's move to the next point. Yes. Do you mind me to make or making a suggestion? This is fixed. This is making. Could you understand? What did I say? Right is making. Next one is that is. Next one is 3. Do as directed. निर्देश अनुसार करो. The team could not score any goal. Rewrite the sentence using hardly. Hardly negative अच्छी. Hardly negative अच्छी. Not is there in it. So we will remove not. The team could hardly. Instead of not, just you write hardly. 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 Not is an adverb. Hardly is an adverb. Not is a negative adverb. Hard is not is a negative adverb. Hardly is a negative adverb. So just in place of not, you write hardly and you will get the answer. Okay. Could you understand? Shall we move to the next point? Yes or no? Shall we move? Yes. The next one is they did not start early. They missed the train. Combine the sentences using an if clause. Ako if clause kare. If माने कौन जदी. तो ओडिया रे. We will do it in ओडिया. They did not start early. से माने सहल यात्रा आरंभ कले नहीं. They missed the train. से माने ट्रेन पाइले नहीं. ऐसा जदी लगे दिया. जदी से माने आगतुरा यात्रा आरंभ करितांदे सहल यात्रा आरंभ जदिरा कोड लिखला प्रथम वाक्य रे. तो नाउ लेट्स रीड. If they, T will become small letter. If they, एकान जदि एइटे कोन करियो did not बदे हेड not थिले not उठेइबो not नथिले not बसेइबो. बुझि पाछो नाही. तो एइटे not अछि will remove it. Did रे जाई कोड मिसि जियो start रे मिसि जियो it will become started. तापर आमे हेल्पिंग वर्ब we will use had. If they had started early, remove full stop, comma. Let's make it small letter. They. Next verb will be. देखो ना मैं भूल कर दी थी तमें देखो ना. I will make a mistake. They would have. Had रा घड़ी हो जो would have. Would have. Would have. Would not have, would not have missed the train. तमु कौन कहली ଇଫି କ୍ଲାଜ୍ରେ ଯଦି ହେଡ଼୍ ଲଗେଇବ ସେକାନି ଉଡ଼ୁ ହେବେ ଲଗେଇବ କୁଡ଼ ଅଣ୍ଡରଷ୍ଟାଣ୍ଡ ଯଦି ଏକାନି ନଟ୍ ଥିବ ନଟ୍ ଉଠେଇଦେବ ନଟ୍ ନାହିଁ ନଟ୍ ବସିବ ଇଫ୍ ଦେର୍ ଇଜ୍ ନଟ୍ ରିମୁଭ୍ ଇଟ୍ ଇଫ୍ ଦେର୍ ଇଜ୍ ନୋ ନଟ୍ ୟୁଜ୍ ଇଟ୍ ବୁଝିଲ ଏଠି ଦେଇଥିଲା କ'ଣ ଏଠି ଦେଇଛି ଦେଖ ଯେ ଇଫ୍ ଦେ ହେଡ଼୍ ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟେଡ଼ ଏର୍ଲି ଏଠି ନଟ୍ ଥିଲା ଆମେ ନଟ୍ ଉଠେଇଦେଲେ ହେଡ଼୍ ବ୍ୟବହାର କଲେ ଭର୍ବଟା ପାଷ୍ଟ ପାର୍ଟିସିପଲ୍ କରିଦେଲେ ଦେ ଉଡ଼ୁ ହେବେ ତା ହେଡ଼୍ର ଘଡ଼ିଟା ଉଡ଼ୁ ହେବେ ସେକେଣ୍ଡ ଉଡ଼ୁ ହେବେ ଲଗେଇଲେ ନଟ୍ ନଥିଲା ବୋଲି ନଟ୍ଟା ଆଉଥରେ ଲଗେଇଦେଲେ ଦେ ଉଡ଼ୁ ନଟ୍ ହେବେ ମିସ୍ ଦି ଟେନ୍ ଓକେ ଡନ୍ ନେକ୍ସଟ ସି ଆୱାର କନଷ୍ଟିଟ୍ୟୁସନ୍ ଆୱାର ଇନଷ୍ଟିଟ୍ୟୁସନ୍ ଅନୁଷ୍ଠାନ is highly popular. It works for the public welfare. Combine the sentence using non-defining relative clause. So clause କରିବାକୁ ଆମେ କହିଥିଲେ clause କେମିତି କରାହବ ଦୁଇଟା ସମ୍ପର୍କ ବାଛିବା ତାର noun ଦେଖିବା pronoun ଦେଖିବା instead of pronoun we will write relative pronoun and there are 4 relative pronouns and those are what? Those are what? Tell me. Who, whom, which, that. So it देखिबा our institution is linked with it. It is a pronoun. Our institution is not a person, so you will not use who, whom, we will use which, that. So instead of which, instead of instead of it we will write what? Which. Okay, just 1 minute. Which? Small letter. Which? କାହା ସହିତ ସମ୍ପର୍କ ଥିଲା ଆୱାର ଇନଷ୍ଟିଟ୍ୟୁସନ୍ ସହିତ ସମ୍ପର୍କ ଥିଲା ଆଚ୍ଛା ବାକ୍ୟଟାକୁ ସେ ହୋଇଛି କ୍ଲାସ୍ଟାକୁ ୱି ୱିଲ୍ ଟେକ୍ ଇଟ୍ ଆଣ୍ଡ ପ୍ଲେସ୍ ଇଟ୍ ଜଷ୍ଟ ଆଫ୍ଟର ଆୱାର ଇନଷ୍ଟିଟ୍ୟୁସନ୍ ରାଇଟ୍ ତ ଦିସ୍ ୱାନ୍ ଲେଟ୍ସ ସିଲେକ୍ଟେଡ୍ ରାଇଟ୍ ଓକେ କପି ଦେନ୍ ନାଉ ଲେଟ୍ସ ପେଷ୍ଟ ହିୟର୍ ये पेस्ट आवर इनिशियल व्हिच वर्क्स फॉर द पब्लिक इज public welfare is highly popular. Now let's remove the sentence. Remember what we did. First we choose the first we find out the relation between the words in both the sentences. Then in place of a pronoun we wrote a relative pronoun which and that became which clause and that we placed that clause just after the noun in the case in the reference. ଏବେ କ'ଣ ଆମେ ଦେଖିବା so our institution which is highly which is highly this is which highly public welfare is yes which is highly populated works for public welfare no our institution which works for public welfare is highly popular. This is correct. The farmer dash the field before he sowed seeds with the fill in the blank with the verb in the bracket in its correct form. So ଏଇଠି କ'ଣ ଦେଖିବା ହେଲା ନିୟରେଷ୍ଟ ପାଷ୍ଟ ଡିଷ୍ଟାନ୍ସ ପାଷ୍ଟ ଅଛି. ନିୟରେଷ୍ଟ ପାଷ୍ଟ କ'ଣ ନା ଯେଉଁଟାକି another one is the ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ କ'ଣ ହେଲା ଦି ଫାର୍ମର dash the field before the sowed seed. ପ୍ରଥମେ ଦୁଇଟା କ୍ରିୟା ଅଛି. There are two verbs. One is सोड एनादर इज प्लो कोड आग होची प्रथमे से कौन कर जमीटा चाष करियो तापर मंजी बुणियो जो फास्ट एक्शन इज प्लो जमी चाष करियो तो सेटा होची डिस्टेंस पास्ट पर जोड़ा करियो दैट इज नियरेस्ट पास डिस्टेंस पास्ट सदा बेले परफेक्ट रखा दियो परफेक्ट हेल्पिंग वर्ब हेड सो द फार्मर हेड प्लोड द फील्ड the farmer had plowed the farmer had plowed the field before he sowed the seed. Next, and with this that is the end of today's set English set class. We shall discuss the other sets in our next class. Till then, bye. Thank you.
It's okay.